Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. ISRO plans to launch India's first solar mission, Aditya L1 satellite, this month. Chief Minister along with Tourism Minister inaugurates tourism amenities named as the Traveller's Nest at KM Village, Meghalaya. Only after seeing the bill that has details of it, a resolution can be taken on UCC, says Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. And Chairman of Regional Committee of Assam and Meghalaya will conduct a joint visit to Khanduli, says Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. The news in detail. Indian Space Research Organisation is planning the launch of the Aditya L1 satellite this month. It will be the first space-based Indian mission to study the sun. The satellite will carry 7 instruments to study the solar atmosphere, solar magnetic storms, and its impact on the environment around Earth. It will be in a halo orbit around L1 point between the Earth and the sun. The satellite will take around 109 Earth days after launch to reach the halo orbit called L1, covering a distance of over 1.5 million kilometers. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma along with Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh today inaugurated tourism amenities named as the Traveller's Nest at KM Village in Meghalaya. The Traveller's Nest has 5 cottages and a restaurant. The KM Traveller's Nest, a project funded by the Meghalayan Age Limited through the Meghalayan Rural Tourism Cooperative Federation Limited with an investment of 94 lakhs. Inaugurating the infrastructure, the Chief Minister highlighted the importance of community engagement in driving the state's economic model. The Chief Minister also inaugurated the state's first biofertilizer unit in KM Village. During the program, he also flagged off 8 prime tourism vehicles.
I spoke about the organic fertilizers in enough supply at the right price at the right time, then obviously the entire purpose is defeated. And hence this biofertilizer plant is absolutely necessary. And as of now, we have a requirement of approximately 25,000 metric tons of biofertilizer in the state as a whole. And obviously the demand will grow as we move along because we'll have more areas under organic farming that plans to be brought in. And hence this particular plant will to a large extent be able to cater to the need of especially the region and even to a large extent the state as a whole.
While everyone is saying no to UCC and urging Chief Minister Conrad Sangma to pass a resolution unanimously in opposition, the Chief Minister said only after seeing the bill that has details of it, a resolution can be taken. However, resolution cannot be taken on a concept or an idea. Stating that UCC is a very broad concept, Sangma said, no use of talking about UCC unless a document is seen. In wake of Kerala Assembly adopting resolution against Uniform Civil Code, similar demands echoed in Meghalaya as well. It may be mentioned that from church leaders to partners in the MDA government, UDP has voiced concern about the UCC.
Now, are you saying if you can show me the bill that has got the details of it, then we will take a resolution accordingly after reading it. But an idea and a concept of UCC, I cannot take a resolution on a concept. I cannot take a resolution on an idea. It has to be on a particular issue, it has to be on a particular bill and particular format which has to be given to us. And hence I suggest to the press also that I think there's no use talking about the UCC till we don't see a formal document on what the UCC is all about. And only then can we comment on it. So let's not go, just kind of raising, an issue out of something that is not there right now. It's an idea and a concept which is not taken form yet. Until that happens, we cannot make any comment on the UCC.
Meghalaya Chief Minister on Tuesday informed that the chairman of the respective Regional Committee of Assam and Meghalaya will conduct a joint visit to Khanduli village on Wednesday or Thursday. Assam Cabinet Minister Piyush Hazarika, who is heading the Regional Committee for West Karbi Anglong District, and Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Dhar, who is heading the Regional Committee for West Jaintia Hills, will visit Khanduli village in a bid to resolve the ongoing deadlock between the Karbi community and the Panar community due to alleged illegal check gates set up in that area. While reacting to the recent closure of case by the one-person commission headed by Justice Rumi Kumari Phukan, retired, instituted by Assam government probing the Mukro violence after no one turned up before the commission during its sitting at the Assam House, Shillong, Sangma said Meghalaya government has set up its own judicial commission.
The regional committee chairmen of Assam and of Meghalaya are visiting Khanduli. So Mr. Piyush Hazarika and Mr. Sneha Dhar, the chairmen of the two respective committees, will be visiting Khanduli tomorrow or the after. I was told 16th, but if not 16th, then 17th for sure. We have put up our own judiciary commission, so we are waiting for our judiciary commission to work. So that's what it is. And cooperation is whenever necessary. Our officials are in touch, so it's not that we are completely neglecting. Maybe at that point in time when the person came, our people were not there. So that could be a one-off case. But as I said, the Judiciary Commission has been put up by Meghalaya.
The Department of Geography, St. Edmund's College, in collaboration with NABARD Shillong, organized an international seminar-cum-webinar on the theme Climate Change, a Local, National and Global Agenda for 2 days at the college auditorium. Speaking to the gathering, Chairman of the Meghalaya State Planning Board, Meghalaya, acknowledged the purpose behind convening the seminar, emphasizing the convergence of valuable reasons for this collective gathering. He echoed his faith in the youth's capacity to bring about positive change and his unwavering support for their endeavors. As the seminar progressed, it carried the torch of awareness, knowledge sharing and collaboration in the fight against climate change.
Chairman of Meghalaya State Planning Board.
I would like to see that St. Edmund's College, to the students, to all the participants of this 2 days long seminars, should show results. There has to be a positive and fruitful results which comes out from this seminar.
The Mulang Yalong Sports Club emerged victorious in a thrilling 3-2 victory over the Dulong Sports Club in the final of the Independence Day Cup Under-17 football tournament. Meanwhile, the Independence Day Run 2023 saw Happiness Power and Teboklang Biam claim the top spots. The football tournament was organized by the West Jaintia District Sports Association, while the race was expertly coordinated by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, West Jaintia Hills District Sports Officer at Kyangnangba Stadium. On this day, 6 talented athletes were selected to join the Khelo India States Centre. The organizers also took the opportunity to honor other notable individuals and teams. And a quick look at the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded was 26.4 degrees Celsius, the minimum 17.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 83%, while that in the evening fell to 66%. The forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. ISRO plans to launch India's first solar mission, Aditya L1 satellite, this month. Chief Minister along with Tourism Minister inaugurates tourism amenities named as the Traveller's Nest at Kiem Village, Mauplang. Only after seeing the bill that has details of it, a resolution can be taken on UCC, says Chief Minister Conrad Kesangma. And Chairman of Regional Committee of Assam and Meghalaya will conduct a joint visit to Khanduli, says Chief Minister Conrad Kesangma. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.